Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another beauty subscription unboxing for you, and it is a Glossybox. It feels quite heavy. I haven't had a look inside yet. I came back off my trip to Greece last night, so I'm straight back into doing videos. I've got lots of videos to film, including a couple of advent calendars, which I'm really excited about. So back to Glossybox then. So this is the November beauty box. It costs £13.50 a month, and that includes shipping. It contains 5 beauty items ranging from anything beauty related. The minimum value of the boxes are £50, and they have different options. You can opt for a monthly rolling subscription, or you can take out a 12-month subscription and it'll bring the cost down to £12.50 a box, or you can opt for a 3, 6 or 12-month subscription if you pay up front, and you'll get a discount off that as well. I have a refer a friend code which will entitle you to receive £5 off your first box, so bringing the box down to £8.50, which is really good for a subscription box. But it all depends, doesn't it, on the contents in here. As I said, I haven't had a look yet. I've just been opening all my posts a couple of hours ago and then just setting it all up ready, so I'm excited to see what's inside. You'll find a link to it down below in my description, and my code. I'll pop it up on the screen, but I'll also put it down there as well. And any limited editions, advent calendars, etc. that Glossybox currently have on their website, you'll also find them down there, and then you'll see all my discount codes and offers to other websites. So you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So yeah, so let's get on showing you then what's inside. It's called Autumn Glow. I got a QR code. Their October box sold out. Unlock your exclusive Glossybox member perk. This month, we're offering our valued glossies the power to choose the perfect eyeshadow product for their December box. Okay, I was just thinking, I am actually a subscriber. I think this is a PR box. I do get the odd PR box sent to me. I can't remember now, the outer packaging. It could be my own paid for box, and I might get the PR box a couple of days later. I don't know. But anyway, I'll put an ad up just so that, just in case. If you are a subscriber, then you would have got a chance to choose between 2 skincare products. I obviously didn't pick that email up with my paid for subscription. Why not? That doesn't matter anyway. But yeah, if you are a subscriber, then you would know what I mean. You would have chosen between 2 products. A sneak peek for the December box is called Winter Secrets, and it has a special design box. It looks all glittery. Now, because of the ring light, you might not be able to see this properly. There. So it's a special design box, and it doesn't tell you anything about what's in it. Christmas limited edition beauty boxes launching in November. As soon as I hear, then I'll post up on my Instagram, my Facebook, on my community tab, on here, on YouTube as well. And I've also got something called a link tree. There is a link to it down below in my description. Basically, you click that link, any new boxes or offers that become available, then I put it up on my link tree, and then you'll get an email just informing you what's just been released. If you want to sign up for that, then you'll find a link down in my description. So yeah, excited about that. Christmas, oh my gosh, there's going to be so many different beauty boxes and Christmas editions. I've already started unboxing beauty Christmas crackers, obviously advent calendars, but we all know that starts in September. So let's have a look. First up, and the reason why this box is heavy, we have got here, oh my gosh, how do you say it? Queshy. It's a renewal grapefruit body scrub. A soft body scrub with gel texture. There's 200 mils there. Oh wow, I love the scent of grapefruit. It's handy actually. I've got really dodgy fake tan left in bits on my body. Oh my word, that smells like, it smells like mango. Have I read it wrong? I am dyslexic. No, it is grapefruit. Oh my gosh, it smells like mango. Can you see it? So it's a jelly body scrub. So not as harsh on your skin. Presumably. No, that's fab. I love that. Let's try a little bit. I love the smell anyway. I haven't tried anything from this brand. Oh yeah, I haven't tried anything from this brand before. Oh, you can see. Oh, that is bad. Can you see? Dodgy tan. Oh my gosh, yeah, I need to sort that out. Or wear a watch or something. It doesn't look great, does it? Not for YouTube. Yeah, it feels nice. And it smells amazing. So yeah, perfect to buff away my dead skin and my fake tan. There we have got, oh, something to put on afterwards. We've got Molten Brown. This is Orange and Bergamot Body Lotion. There's 50 mils there. Love Molten Brown. Oh, the smell is lovely as well. Let's put a bit on here. Oh, actually, it would make more sense if I put it on here. I've just wiped off the scrub. Why is it? Has the clock's gone back? It has, hasn't it? I just realised it's 4:10 with me, and I'm like, it's so dark. Oh, it's getting really dark outside. Oh, I didn't even realise. Coming back from Greece last night, didn't even click. Yeah, it's gotta be. Oh, it smells so nice. Yeah, really nice. Gorgeous, gorgeous body lotion there. We have got some makeup by CRT London. And this is Sweet Kiss Illuminating Blusher. I think it says in the QR code as well how much all these items are worth. So I'll let you know when I do like a roundup afterwards. That's the colour. So it's like a salmony gold. I'll try it on my hand here. There, can you see? Look at the colour shift. That's really pinky. And then it goes gold, very, very pinky, and gold, and orange, or like coral then, you know. There. I'm going to have to sort out my lighting when I'm editing this so that you can get to see it properly. My ring light's broken. So it's working a little bit, but not fully. And it's making my videos look a little bit overexposed. Yeah, no, I really like that. That's pretty. Not usually my style, I've got to be honest. I prefer to have a separate blush and highlight. You know, with blushes, I bring it down further than what I would with a highlight. Next, we've got the choice of skincare. So if you're a regular subscriber, then you would have an email. I should know this, but I can't remember it. Asking you which you'd prefer. So you'd either receive what I've got here, which is a niacinamide serum, and this is by Yogobi, and there's 15 mils here. The evidence-based concentration of 5% niacinamide recreates a natural balance of the skin, reduces the appearance of impurities, and contributes to a fresher and more even skin tone. So there's that. Soothes the skin, minimises the pore size and evens out your skin tone. This is deluxe size and it is worth £10. So you can either choose that, or you could go for Dr. Eve Ruth, which is again a deluxe size. It's a vitamin C moisturiser that is worth £59.99. That's a big step up from what this costs or what it's worth. It contains vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and it's a rich night moisturiser. Let's see if you can see there. Whoa! So it's there. And how much do you get in that? Does it say? I think there's 50 mils there. Or you can choose a Vegan by Happy Skin, a deluxe size pomegranate eye serum. And that is worth £59. There. Or you could choose Balance Me, it's a Radiance facial oil, and that is worth £17. So there. So you get to choose between those four, which you would have done so if you're a regular subscriber. I'm assuming that if you are a new subscriber, then it will be potluck what you get of one of those. There's no information there that I can tell you, unfortunately. And then lastly then, we've got, this is Bassy Beauty, and we got some tweezers. Cute for tweezers. Tweezers are always handy. Yeah, I use them all the time to apply false eyelashes. So I've usually got like a load of mascara and a load of glue stuck there. So yeah, I've got quite a few of them. Always handy to pluck out the odd chin hair on the go as well. So yeah, so we got some tweezers there, and those are all the products inside the November glossy box. So going back to the information then, let's see how much they're all worth. The CRT London blush, this is full size and it retails for £20. The body scrub, the grapefruit, how do you say that? Queshy body scrub, this retails for £17 and this is full size. You know, I said it was Bassy Beauty. It's Basic Beauty. These tweezers, Basic Beauty. These are full size and they retail for £16. The Molten Brown body lotion is a deluxe size and this has a value of £6. And lastly, the Yogobi Niacinamide Serum. This is deluxe size and it has a value of £10. So my little box here, it has a value of around £69. But if you were to get one of the other skincare products, then you're talking over £100 value in there. But yeah, it's not a bad box this month. I'd love to hear your thoughts though. What do you think of it? What do you think of the products? If you're a subscriber, you're looking forward to receiving your box, or are you watching this for the first time wondering, oh, shall I, shan't I subscribe? But yeah, I'd love to hear whether you think it's a box for you or not. It doesn't matter. I always want to know what you think. So please comment down below and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.